Hi, now you are going to learn how to open a project in Revit Architecture and Structure. Okay, first there is a default directly will be shown as a project families. When you want to open a project or when you have to create a new project, there is an option will be same option will be in files also. There is a new open project family. When you want to open a existing project means project family. Okay, just when I click that new button, there will be shown as template file. It's none because we done anything project in this file, so it will be shown as none. Okay, and when you create new, you will be shown as a project or project template. That means project means RVT, project template means RTE. If you want to save the project in template file, means just click that project template. If you want to save that file in RVT file, means click project and then click OK. They will be asked undefined system of measurement. That means what measurement you just want to in the project. The first one is the imperial or metric. Imperial means it's shown feet and inches. Metric means it's in millimeter, meter, centimeter. Small scale project, it should be done in feet and inches. If just like an industry or any other big project means they will be done in metric. Now let us click metric. It will be open the Revit project software. In both left and right corner, two dialogs will be available. First one is a project and second one is a project browser. In project browser, when I just click that, expand that button, it will be shown structural plan, floor plan, ceiling plan. When I click that structural plan, they will be shown level 1 in floor plan, level 1 in ceiling plan, level 1, and also there will be legend, schedule, sheet and families. In families there are so many number of families will be available. These are all default families like roofs, ramp, railing, pipes, floors, duct. This is a system family, and final one is a group. It should be a detail group or model group, and last one is a Revit link. When you are importing any link like EMEP services, that can be used in Revit links. This is our mainly used in project browser. And in properties dialog box, when I click that structural plan level 1 means what are the properties are available that can be shown structural plan. When I click that floor plan means there will be changes of floor plan. When I click that ceiling plan means there will be changes to ceiling plan. What are the properties are available, it will be shown. When I click that structural plan, the first one shown view scales. What are the scales are required to provide? There are a number of scales will be available, and also it can be custom 1:1 to 1:5000. And how to display the model. When you want to show in normal or coarse, half tone or do not display like that, and detail level 3 levels will be available. coarse, medium, fine. Like that, so many properties are available in structural plan. Same thing when I go to ceiling, same thing will be available in these places in properties, and you can move that project browser dialog box to anywhere. Just double click to project browser, they will come out of the display. That can be moved in the place of near to the properties, or just move at the bottom of and you can move above, but default in industry there will be project browser should be at right side and properties dialog box should be at left side, and the working place should be at center. That easily to work. Thank you.